Hello, this is part 2 of the subject-verb agreement lesson. The objective of this lesson is to make the subject agreeing with the verb in both singular and plural forms. How to make the subject agree with the verb? Some words always agree with singular verbs, as the ones in this box, like someone, anybody, nobody, everybody, somebody, anyone, no one, everyone, something, anything, nothing, everything, another, either, neither, much, one, and every. So all these should be followed by a singular verb. For example, one of the teachers solves her students' problems. So here we have one. That's why we should use a singular verb which is formed by adding s to it. Number 2, someone steals my pocket money. So someone is here, so we should use with it a singular verb, which is by adding the s to the verb. Other words agree always with plural verbs, like few, several, other, both, and many. For example, several students know the answer. So here we use the plural form of the verb. Many are raising their hands to answer. Okay, so that's why we used are, because many is one of these words, so we should use with it the plural form of the verb. Other words can be either singular or plural. So it depends on the word that follows these words. Some, most, half of, all, none, any, more, and lot. For example, some of the meat is burnt. So here we look at the word that is after some. So here what do we have? The meat. Meat is singular or plural? It's singular. So that's why we use is instead of are. Number 2, some of the cookies have been eaten. Also here we should look at the word that comes after some. So here we have cookies. Cookies is plural, so that's why we used have with it. There is a special rule related to and is the only conjunction that make the subject always plural. Example, the little girl and her mother laugh at the funny movie. So since we have and here, then directly the verb should be plural all the time, while either or and neither nor can make the subject either singular or plural. It depends on the subject that comes directly before the verb. Example, neither the students nor the teacher knows the policy. So here we have the students, then nor, and then another subject which is the teacher. Even if the first subject or the subject that is before nor is plural, we should look at the subject that is directly before the verb. So here we have the teacher. Okay, the teacher is singular or plural? Of course it's singular, that's why we should add as to the verb.